I wanted something that was super elegant in this living room, and marble is timeless. No matter how many years you've had it, it always looks great. It has super sturdy material. It can withstand daily use, the wear and tear of a busy living space, and so I wanted marble. So this end table is the perfect height at 24 inches, which I can set right next to my couch, and it's perfect. Now, when you look at the table from far away, it looks like these geometrical shapes are actually sticking out, but they're not. When friends or family or anybody comes and visits, they're always looking at them, and they kind of look at them and kind of tilt their head sideways because they think that these geometrical shapes are coming out. But when you stand beside the table, you can see here that it is completely flat and goes straight down. However, when I step back, it almost looks like the table has some sort of odd geometrical shape. So overall, I'm super glad that I bought these. I love the durability of them, how heavy duty they are, and they make this living room look fantastic.